today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to earn free Dogecoin directly to your Faucetpay account. Then when you reach the minimum on your Faucetpay account, you're going to be sending them directly to your Trust Wallet account. So guys, if you know you like what we're doing on this channel by dropping free updates here, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be updated on that. So guys, the name of this site which I'm going to be showing you today is called faucet.tk. So guys, I'm going to be dropping the link to this site in the description box below. So when you click on the link and you are on this site, all you need to do, there's no much registration processes. All you need to do, as you can see here, the balance of Dogecoin left on my dashboard is 38.9 Dogecoin, which I have 100 claims every day. I have 100 claims left for today, and all you need to do when you are here is to input your Faucetpay email address, which is in this place over here. As you can see, this is mine. So after that is done, you complete this captcha over here which says I am human. So after you have verified that you are human, as you can see here, you have to please click on the antibot link in the following order: ABBAABBBCCC, which you are going to be doing now. So guys, after inputting the antibot link in the following order, you scroll down and click on claim, which is over here. Now when you click on claim, your Dogecoin is going to be sent directly to your Faucetpay account. As you can see over here, this is the amount of Dogecoin that have been sent to my Faucetpay account. So guys, this is my balance over here. So after that, you can still continue the claim as you go back to your dashboard and wait for 5 minutes to claim another one. So guys, after 5 minutes you are going to be claiming again on this site. So guys, this is how you can earn Dogecoin directly to your Faucetpay account, and when you reach the minimum on your Faucetpay account, you send them directly to your Trust Wallet account. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell. Whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be notified on that. Thanks for watching.